Welcome guys to another video tutorial with you, Mr. Lee. In today's video tutorial, we are going to continue from where we stopped in our previous video for our CRUD operation for creating posts in TushiBlog. Let's delve into the video. Okay guys, so in this video, we are going to be making this edit work. For the moment, it's not working, so we go back to our addition. In the admin view file, we are going to create a file called edit blog, edit posts .blade.php, and it's going to use the app layout tool. So let's go back to our prompt, and in our prompt we're going to look out for edit. So in edit, you can actually see they are going to be returning a page, so which is this here. So in edit, we are going to be returning a page. We'll just copy this, and it also has a category. So we'll go to our post controller. In post controller, we'll look for edit. So we are going to be seeing this, and the view we are going to return is admin dot edit hyphen post, which is what we just created. So for now, we are not actually compacting. Are we compacting the post? Yes, we are going to be compacting the post here based on the model. So for you to actually do the editing, you need to, in the place where you're calling the edit, you're going to be adding something. Now you can actually see the button for edit. They are adding post.edit and with the post itself. So it means the post that you are going to edit is what you're adding as a parameter to the route. And this post, you would come on the controller. You are going to fetch this post from the post model. So there will be no need for us to use the find like what you do for category where we did find ID. But this case, this is shorter. So it just carries the post and it gets the post from the model. So let's copy this route here, and let's go to where we have the edit button inside our post. That's the index page, because that's where we are going to be editing from, and we are going to be clicking the edit this end. So let's look for it here. You can actually see ti edit. So let's look for the route, and let's give it the route here. So the post we are giving is this post here. So and this route post.edit is from source route. So I haven't done this. Now the edit post is more like you're adding the blogs too. So we are going to just copy everything from the add blog and paste inside of the edit post. So highlight the this thing, and you control V. So I haven't done that. Now let's look at the page for editing. This for create, this for edit. Let's look at the page for edit. You can see the action. First of all, the route is this. We copy this edit here. So we copy the route, we change it from store to update, right? So update, and we are adding a parameter for the post we want to update. The method still is post, and the multi-path form data is there for image. Then now there is method spoofing, so we copy that and we paste inside here for this for method spoofing. So the method for updating is put, like we did in last listing. So now majorly the next thing is on the input tag. The values now becomes, instead of old value, you just put the title of the post. So this will change to posts. So we copy this post title, then put the required, and we remove this, and we paste that here. So I haven't pasted that. The same thing for the category, I presume. Mm, then here inside the text categories, where's categories? So on categories aspect, also category ID for each category. So there's something here, post category ID is equal to category ID, then we'll put selected else. So we are going to be adding that here. So post category ID is equal to category ID, then we select it. So it will be selected. The next thing is description. The description, there's a value on the description. The description of the post is inside the text area. So we copy this and we add it inside of the text area, which is here. So you paste this here. Then for the tags, tags, for the tags, we are going to put the value of tags, and we're going to include the various tags. So the opposite of explode is to implode. So explode converts strings to array, while implode converts array to string. So using this comma as a delimiter too. So the next part of the listing is if there is an image, the post, this I'm not going to, if there's an image, this should show. So I'm just going to copy everything there and I'm going to put it here, and name is image and all. This other this thing remains. I don't know if there's a div here for the images. There's a div for the image. So for duration, okay, this duration here. So the same thing, we just copy the value, post duration, and we copy it and we paste it inside duration. So basically, I think that'll be it for edit. So now um let's check so these blocks, this in here, we can just put posts route, posts dot index, so the first page. So let's refresh this page and let's see um how it is now, if it's actually going to show this in fully. So let's click on edit. We click on edit at the moment to take us to the edit page. Now you can actually see that everything is showing as it's supposed to show. So let me say I want to change this to blogs. Let's see the image is even showing here, the these things are showing here. So if I want to edit anything here, I can edit. So but the next thing now is to go to update it from the controller. So we look for update on the controller. So this is store, this is show, this is edit, this is update. So you can actually see the update method on the controller has request and the post you want to update. So it is taking the request from the form and it is updating it. So let's go over to this part. Let's copy this and let's go here and let's paste it. So you can actually see that after validation, category IDs, and it check for the tags too, and it explode the tags. Then if the image has files, if there was an image before, it will check through the storage and check for that image, then it will delete it. If there's no image for the listing, you can actually add image to the post. So after everything, it will now use the update method to store the validated and this validated data is an array from the validated request items. So if you want, let's even confirm what this validated contains so you understand it more. So let's check this and let's go over to the part of submitting. Let me just change welcome to our blog to welcome to Tushi blog. So let's do that and let's just click on add blog. Let me confirm. Okay. let's click on add blog. You're going to see that it's going to show you everything that the validated contains. Look at the title, description, duration, category ID, which are all the fields that you have here. Title, description, duration, category, tags, image. Let's do it before the update. So all the other fields that weren't in the validated will show. So let's keep it here before the update and let's refresh and let's see. You can now see the tags we didn't. So basically, if we remove these tags, these validated here, and if you refresh this, you can see that good job, post updated successfully. Now you can actually see this thing is showing welcome to Tushi blog. So it means the blog worked. Let's change from blog. Let me edit from blog to Tushi blogs, and let's confirm that, and let me add blog. You see that it has changed to tissue blog. So basically on the other part, let me just change this from add blog to edit blog. Edit blog. So basically, I think all things being equal, we've been able to edit our blogs. That'll be it for this video. Thank you for staying to this time. Do well to like, subscribe, share the video if you enjoyed the video. Also drop your comments if you have any question. Thank you.